Hey guys, what's going on? Today we have a really cool opportunity from the folks at Sennheiser. They sent us this GSP 300 to check out. Now, it's a couple years old. Some of you have probably already seen this. Really popular, but given the high-end products that Sennheiser has out there, this is their $100 range model, and there's been a couple times when sales have dipped down to the mid-60s. So rumor has it another sale's coming. So we wanted to do an unboxing here, check it out, and those of you who haven't tried one yet, perfect time. So let's unbox it, check it out, especially those of you who've been rocking one of the other models out there. There's some differences here. So first of all, kind of standard nowadays, but it's got a noise canceling headphone. It's closed acoustic. It's compatible with whatever you're playing with for games, right? PC, Xbox, Switch, PlayStation, whatever you like. It's actually also got the PCV05 combo adapter. So if you're switching over to console, you can get into that single port, or you can use both ports on a computer. So any other details here? It's kind of funky, right? Sennheiser has some really high-end stuff, but for the headset, it's kind of plastic, kind of funky looking. If you haven't used it before, probably curious if it has the same high quality audio that they're known for, especially the microphone audio. So why don't we open it up and check it out. Having used these before, the sound quality is really surprising compared to some of the other $100 models on the market. No tinniness, great bass. It's one of the best gaming headsets out there. And the noise cancelling on the mic is really helpful, especially if you're running out of hotkeys to mute or having interruptions in the middle of a stream. So we want to check it out today, so everybody can check it out. So pretty basic packaging. You take it out here, pretty good weight. It's got the split headband, which is nice. It's not quite standard these days, but for Sennheiser, they got you taken care of. Incredible memory foam. There's an unreal amount of memory foam actually if you check these out, and also unique, even though it shouldn't be, the earpieces are shaped like ears, so there's some incredible comfort opportunities. They're adjustable. They can spin to however kind of you prefer. On the left side here, the microphone adjustable, goes to where you need it to be, but you bring it up, it automatically mutes it. And on the right side, you have an analog volume control. You follow the cord, it's 2 meters, it's non-removable, and at the bottom here, like I mentioned, you have both the audio and the input, and there's a separate dongle that comes with, so you don't need to worry about that if you're wondering what the heck the two are. There's two. This is not the USB model or the removable model. The GSP 350, very similar, but it's removable, and it connects via USB to have that digital audio experience. But for an analog set, you're going to be fairly impressed with these. They're very comfortable. The audio quality is exceptional. No hiss. They're fairly lightweight. They do exactly what you need them to do. And considering they came out several years ago, it's still popular. Still something you see serious gamers using every day. So worth checking out. Definitely towards the end of May here, keep your eyes out for some sales. Already some of the retailers this weekend, you can see $69 for a $99 set. Easily the best $100 pair of headphones on the market. For $70, there's no competitors, and they're performing at some of those more mid to high level gaming headsets. So any other questions about it, let us know, leave comments below. We'll check them out for you, but otherwise, great set, great value buy, and they don't behave like a value buy. They perform at a very high level, so check it out. Thanks, guys.